2015 Toyota RAV4 Limited. They don't make a diesel, by the way. March 18th. I've let it sit and warm up. So one owner bought it with 5 miles on it. It's what I listen to every day, and I don't like it, so just want to see if anybody out there knows what the fix for it might be. The dealer doesn't know. I could open the hood, it just gets worse, so I'll leave it up there and see if anybody knows what the problem is. Thank you.